Fluffy almond buns. Today I want to show you how to make high-quality yeast dough. We will also create delicious almond buns. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating yeast dough and first raising. 1 egg and 1 egg white. The yolk of the second egg will be needed to grease the buns before baking. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 7 grams of yeast. (250 milliliters cool milk). Also add 2 tablespoons flour and mix. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. Cover the yolk to prevent drying. After 10 minutes, the yeast has dissolved. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Start adding about 500 grams sifted flour. Knead an elastic, slightly stiff dough. Knead the dough well for about 4 or 5 minutes. Add the cool butter in several stages. Don't worry that the dough will start to separate. After a couple of minutes, the butter will be absorbed quickly. Thanks to this state, the buns will be fluffy and tasty for a long time. Add salt at the end. After adding salt, feel how quickly the dough becomes elastic. Knead for another 3–5 minutes. Grease the bowl with the vegetable oil. Cover and leave to rise for 40 minutes. Step 2. Stretching the dough and second rising. Take the dough. Stretch the dough from the center to all sides and air it for a minute. Fold the dough. Cover and let it rise for about 40 minutes. Step 3. Making the crumb mixture. Combine 150 grams of flour and 100 grams of cool butter. Add 150 grams of sugar. Also add 50 grams of chopped almonds. Step 4. Shaping and baking the buns. The dough has doubled in size. Roll out the dough into a rectangle. Spread half of the crumb mixture. Fold in half. Roll out slightly. Spread out another half of the remaining crumb mixture. And fold in half again. Sprinkle this crumb mixture again. Leave some crumbs to decorate the buns before baking. Fold in half again. Roll out a little and divide into 8 pieces. If you want to make small buns, divide into 16 pieces. Fold and roll out slightly into squares. Fold the corners into the center. Add a whole almond to each bun. Cover and let rise for 15 minutes. Brush the buns with a mixture of egg yolk and 1 tablespoon water. Sprinkle with the crumbs. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Oh, they are so fragrant! I want to try them quickly. The buns are fluffy and moist and have delicious sweet-nutty layers. Bon appetit! Thank you! Please like and subscribe, and happy culinary masterpieces!